Hello everybody, thanks for clicking. That's me RD. I'm very happy that you are here with me, and as you can see, I wear new glasses. It is not sunglasses, it's just night glasses, and it helps to protect my eyes from automobile lights when it brights very strong. I don't know. Okay, I'm here. I am on the market. It is parking place, kind of parking place. I've already made the video from this place, and I just decided to make a new one just for practice English. And today is snowing day, as you can see. We call it like white flies, white flies. Flight. It is. Hello Massimo, hello my dear friend. Hello, nice to see you. Thanks for joining me. So sorry that but Facebook changed the politic about hello Rakib about stream, and no one could join to me, and I can't invite anybody to talk with. I just can talk only by myself, but I hope you will enjoy my video. Today is a little bit snowing day. It's but it is not cold outside. Outside is quite warm, about zero, and the snow is melting right now. It is cloudy, it is dark clouds in the sky, and we can see the sun can barely go through clouds. And here is a parking place. Cars comes here and goes out, and people are wearing with their purchase, and it is kind of food market, and we came here to buy some food like vegetables and half-made food, and just for chicken meat and etc. eggs. Here's a lot of cars, but you right before you we can see a bare tree. It is a big tree, and during the summer it is green, but fortunately the winter coming to the end, and it would be warm soon, because spring it is a new life and for everybody. Oh, thank you Rakib. If you have some question, please write it down. I will tell you. Maybe you are interested about Russian life and something else. I would be very glad to give you some answers. he is quite vivid, quite alive place. People are going back and forth into the store. He is advertising rights, advertising banner. It says chemistry for to wash dishes, to wash clothes, and maybe you can see there are a dog. It is a homeless dog. I saw it late time when I've been here, and it is I get that people fed it, and people very kind, and we can see the dog is laid down on the ground under the cover, and it wanted to rest. I think people from the store, sellers and others, is very kindly feed it. As you can see, people goes back and forth, and they were in purchases, and one of them parking now, another woman steering the jeep, and we call it I've parked it crossover. Yeah. So Massimo, thanks for watching me, and taking the case, I wanna to invite you to Web Talk. Please join the Web Talk. You will never regret about being there. You will get a lot of opportunity to talk with people. You will get a lot of opportunity to join, to attend native English teacher's lesson. So, for example, I'm sure you know him, John Brown's lesson. John Brown, he's a teacher from England. I forgot what is his hometown, but just yesterday I attended his lesson, and he showed us a great excursion around his town, and I've seen beautiful streets and houses. It was very interesting. What else? If you join there, you will be able to get a lot of opportunity to practice English, and it would be very great to meet you on the lesson. And everybody has gone. So sorry. Okay, thank you very much, friends. Come to me, follow for my referral link, and I will help you how to use Web Talk. Bye bye, see you.